Hello friends, and welcome back to English Life. Today I'd like to practice the difference between the letters S and SH. Let's give it a try. S, S, S. Sh, sh, sh. See, she, seat, sheet, same, shame, sit, shit. Sock, shock, sell, shell, sin, shin. Now, let's practice a tongue twister. This is extra challenging for most beginners. Let's try it. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now, let's practice it quickly 3 times in a row. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now you give it a try. Thanks again for watching English Life. Please hit like and subscribe to our channel for more English pronunciation training. See you again real soon.